for the mass market. So anyone who drinks water is a prospect. So virtually all people needs this product. Okay? So I think this is already 2 million units as of this year. So and this is just the beginning. You know, in the Philippines, around 50,000 units pala. And how many ang population ng Philippines? Diba? More than 120 million. So 50,000 units pala ng Kangen machine sold here. Okay, so virtually, ano pa siya? Kumbaga wala, ano pa lang to, tip of the iceberg. Okay? So sino ba si Enagic? Enagic is a 51-year-old private Japanese company, licensed as a medical device manufacturer. They have ISO certifications. Notable is the ISO 13485 standards for medical device. Endorsed by doctors. 5 years warranty for K8 and SD501. Lifespan of the products is 20 to 25 years. So proven a product. So first used in Japanese hospitals in 1974. Residential units introduced in 1994. Okay? They have 32 offices in 24 countries.
43 na ngayon.
43 na pala. Okay, I'm gonna update na. So, a customer can opt to be a distributor. Okay, so, but usual in the Philippines case, most, like 80% of clients are end users. They don't become distributors. I think less than 10% only become distributor. So there's no additional fees that Enagic get from you to be a distributor. If you buy a machine, automatic you can be a distributor. There are some like requirements. You have to submit 2 valid IDs. You have to have your TIN or tax ID number, BDO bank account for doon nila pinapasok yung commissions. Okay, so yun lang yung mga kailangan. There's no joining fee. And there's no annual renewal fees. Unlike other companies, you have to renew every year. Okay, so dito wala. For ano ka na? Lifetime distributor ka na. And there's no stocks to keep. They won't sell you products. Like, you have to buy this package, and then you have to sell that. So practically, we're just order takers. Or we facilitate our clients to get machines. I'm sure in online ganun din. You just help them purchase their machines.
Yes.
Okay? So there's no monthly sales qualifications required. So to go up to the rank, like what later I'm gonna show that. So there's no monthly quotas. Okay? And advancement in your commission is based on cumulative sales to date. So the more sales or the group sales you have, the higher your rank will be. Okay? And there's a global plan. Okay? So you can sell to your friends in US, Canada, other countries where Enagic, or kahit na wala doon yung Enagic, you can send the machines to them, or there's some Enagic office that can help you with that. Okay? So I'm gonna talk about the 3 types of commission. So ito yung parang starting commissions ng Enagic. Of course, the 8-point commission, and second is the education allowance, and the third is the 682 bonus. Okay, so I'm gonna go fast lang. So I'm basing it on the SD501. So for every sale of the product, Enagic allocates the 96,000 commission per machine for its marketing partners based on the SD501, which is a 7-page, priced at 201,600 here in the Philippines. Okay, so almost half, we call that distribution cost. So any company has this distribution cost. So like Nike, rubber shoes, they get endorsers. Like they got LeBron James, they pay him like millions and millions of dollars to endorse the shoes. Okay, so they have their own marketing costs. So for Enagic, for every sale ng machine, they will give commissions to its marketing partners, the distributors. Okay? So, and the 96,000 is split further into 8 points or 8 parts. So imagine you have like a pizza with 8 slices. So it's gonna be shared by different distributors depending on the rank of the distributor. The higher the rank, you get more pizza slices. Parang ganyan. Okay? So 1 point is equal to 12,000 and the payout is 12 times 8 is 96,000. Okay? So these are the rank. So let's say you bought a machine and then you referred 2 of your friends to buy. So your first 2 direct sales meaning you're the sponsor. You're the one who invited them, and then you're gonna get 12,000 or 1 point for each of those sales. So yan yung 2 direct sales. So there will be some variations. At ito yung turo before. There's some variations which Ida will teach you and I'll teach you. Since alam ko na, Ida told me about it. Okay, so to get to the next rank, you need to have a direct sale. Okay, so pag direct sale, that's the time you become 2A rank. So meaning you'll get 2 points for every sale that you get. Okay, so third direct sale yan. How to get to 3A? 3A, you need 10 cumulative group sales. So meaning na group sales, your sale and the sales of your group. So group sales is considered your indirect sales, meaning group sales mo rin yun. So meaning yung mga in-invite mo tapos they invited people, those are your group sales. Okay, so that 3 plus 7 more equals 10. And then for 11, which is your next direct sale, yun yung 3A mo. For that 3A line, you get 3 points already. 12,000 times 3 equals 36,000. So dito pa lang, many people are really raving about it. Kasi imagine, if you're at 3A rank, you sell 1 machine every month, you get 3 points, you get 36,000. It's like your monthly compensation na when you're working, diba? So, and then you don't need to talk to a lot of people. And then if your people from that 1A and 2A lines also refer, you get 12,000 or 24,000, depending on their line. Later, I will have some examples. So to get to the 4A rank, kailangan mo, meron ka ng 20 cumulative group sales. So meaning ng 20, yung 10 dito plus another 10. So it's adding up. So pag naka-21 ka, which is your next direct sale, 4A mo yun. So you will only rank up if you have a direct sale. Okay, so hindi ka mag-rank. Let's say naka-20 ka na, hindi ka naka-direct sale, you're still considered as a 3A. Kasi wala ka pang 4A line. 4A line will be your direct sale after you become 20. After your group sales become 20. So you get 12 times 48,000 for that 4A line. Okay? To get to 5A, kailangan mo ng 50 group sales. Okay, so yung pang 51 will be your 5A line. So that's 5 times 12,000. Okay, so any questions? 1A to 5A. Okay, malinaw? Malinaw? Okay. To get to 6A, so may dito dyan yung mga 6A dyan sa likod, mga pictures nila. 6A to and above. So 6A meaning you have 150 plus another 50. So meaning 100 group sales. And then yung pang 101 mo will be your 6A line. So you get 6 times 12,000 or 72,000 per machine when you get to 6A line. Okay? So ito yung pinaka-goals. When people say, I become 6A, meaning naka 101 group sales na sila. Yes. So any questions po? 1A to 6A.
They said, those 10 bring 5 each. That is accumulative 100. Yeah. You become 6A.
Tama.
So you don't need to do all the sales.
6A, 6A, 6A yan. Lahat ng group sales ng 6A na yan. Meron ka. 1/4. Counting the quarterly as well.
And you know, to become 6A, you 101 points. So imagine how many people will make the sales, right?
Yes.
In each leg. And up to 8 level down,
dami na.
it's counted to your group sales. So imagine how many bonus.
Yes. So yung goal lang natin is to teach people how to do this. Kasi kung di natin tinuturo, they won't know the business plan.
Yeah.
So the point is to make active 6As. So ito yung sinasabi ni Eden, yung quarterly bonus. So pag 6A2 ka, you get 43,000 per quarter.
Yes.
Tapos madali lang kunin yan. 3 8-point sales per calendar quarter. Or 1 8-point sale per month.
So fix yan, besides pa yung bonus kanina.
Yes.
Plus pa yun.
Additional.
Additional, yeah. Quarterly.
Pag 6A2-2, that's 86,000 per quarter. Pero ito, you need 2 8-point sales per month or 6 8-point sales per calendar quarter.
Yes.
So extra yan, parang binabayaran ka na ng company for your rank. Ito yung SP. Pinapakita rin. Kasi pala yung 12,000 is broken down into two, basic commission and special point. Ito yung sinasabi namin SP. So for Kangen machines, si Mr. Oshiro, he added SP as additional commissions for us. So talaga 96 lang. Pero to get 96, to get the special point, you need the direct sale every 3 months or 90 days.
Or my secret ako dyan.
Ukon 4 months or pag Sigma 1 year.
Ukon Sigma 1 year. I just have Ukon, so I always get the SP funds. I always get the full commission. So I don't need to make any sales. I don't need to make any sales every 3 months.
Just buy the Ukon.
I don't need to work hard to recruit. I just have to have active Ukon, buy an Ukon, and I will get the commission. Full commission.
Tapos ano naman, iniinom nyo naman yun,
Yes.
personal consumption na yun.
Yes.
It's good, yes. So dati kasi before when we start, wala kang Ukon. Yung Ukon is the turmeric
Turmeric
capsules.
capsule, which is good for anti-inflammation.
Yes.
May mga masakit, mga arthritis, mga masakit kasukasuan nyo, we recommend that. Ukon.
Yes. So ito, pag every 90 days. Pero pag Ukon nga, 120 days siya. Alam mo, sa sobrang generous ng Enagic, even if you don't have a direct sale, even in 6 months, you still get 50% basic commission. Sa ibang company yan, 1 month ka lang hindi wala na. So, up to 6 months, you still get negative 50. Let's say, less 50% ng basic commission. So, let's say, ito, mangyayari lang to, pag yung mga sales nung downlines.
This is
Indirect sales.
Yes, for indirect sales, kung hindi ka active, for example, you don't make sales within 90 days and you don't have active Ukon. So when you have active Ukon, just like I said, you always qualify for the full commission. Pero it's not indirect sales, meaning hindi ikaw ang nagbenta, yung nasa downline mo. So you will get only 50% if hindi ka active. Pero kung active ka, full lagi. Every time na kahit bawa, tumigil ka 1 month or 4 months or 6 months or even 1 year. The moment na magkabenta ka, the moment na mag-sales ka, 100% commission right away. So there's no expiration and there's no deranking. Nakalimutan mo yung isalagay dun sa slides mo. There's no deranking.
Walang demotion. So if you reach a certain rank, you won't get demoted.
Yeah.
Kasi other companies, you'll easily get demoted ka.
You need to have sa ibang kumpanya, you need to have a quota to keep your rank. But here, basta ma-achieve mo yung rank mo, you will never go down.
You stay
So,
there.
dun ka na, hanggang sa tumaas ka pa ng tumaas. Pero you will never lose your rank.
Yes.
Yes, sobrang love na love ko ang business na ito.
Oo nga. This is the best. So pag sa sobrang bait ng Enagic, up to 12 months, you still get 50%. Pero pag more than 12 months, na zero. Pero,
sa indirect yan.
Sa indirect sales, so meaning na to, yung mga overriding commissions. Ibig sabihin yung mga sales ng group na hindi ikaw nagbenta. So all commissions on new indirect sales will be reinstated once you make a direct sale. So that's why sinasabi nga ni Eden, you have to have Ukon. So hindi mo na kailangan mag-direct sale. So let's say you buy the Ukon Sigma, good for a year na yung SP.
Yes.
So wala ka ng trouble for...
Halimbawa 6A ka na, marami ka ng team na nagbibring ng sales. Eh, tamad ka, ayaw mo nang magtrabaho. So mag-buy ka na lang Ukon.
Correct.
100% ang commission mo for life. For
For
1
a
year.
year. For
Yeah.
12 months.
Basta may Ukon ka. Kasi tamad ka, ayaw mo mag-recruit. Pero yung mga download mo masisipad, ayaw mo mawala yung commission. O di mag-buy ka ng Ukon, you get full commission.
Okay. So ito yung career path na inaano namin. Like, you start off as 6A, then of course, next step is to become 6A2. You need to have two 6As in two separate lines. Okay.
US dollar po yan.
6,000.
Nung makita ko to, 2019, nung nag-start ako ng business, hindi siya sa anak. Transferable yung, imagine, ito yung rank ko ngayon. I get 5,000 monthly.
Hindi more pa yan.
Fixed na yan ha. Minimum lang yan. Minimum. Eh, dalawa na yung account ko. Dalawa na yung account ko na 682-3. So, 5,000 plus 5,000. Minimum na yun. Minimum. Eh, last month sa isang account pa lang 10,000 na yung nakuha ko.
2018.
Yes.
2021.
So, yun nga, when you get to 2-3, you get 25,000 title bonus. That's one time. Tapos you get $5,000 monthly. But it can go higher or lower depending on your group activity performance. So for Eden's case, yung one account pa lang niya, naka 10,000 na siya. So meaning, maraming sales yung account niya.
Ang ano ko sa last month, $53,000 US. Mahigit pa ha. Imagine, 3 million, isang buwan lang yun.
That's why this company really works. Yeah. I'm at 2-4. So, ito 50,000 one time. And then, I'm assured 10,000 monthly. But of course, this is based, rated for the 10,000. It can go lower or higher. So, monthly sales, this month versus last year, this month versus last month, this year, same month last year. And they will also rate us on the collection, ganyan. So, pag 2-4 ka na, it's gonna be 10,000. Tapos, if you're going 2-5, 100,000.
100,000
One time.
And guys, to achieve this rank, you don't need to work hard, ha?
You just teach people.
You just need automatic. Halimbawa, ikaw 6'8 ka ngayon. Yung dalawang tao na dinala mo, mag 6'8 sila pareho. Wala kang ginawa. Basta sila, nangarap sila katulad ko, sinipatan ko, nag-rank up ako. Yung upline ko, automatic mag-rank up 6'8". Wala silang ginawa kahit magkaaway pa kami niyan. Mag-rank up siya, magkakakuha siya ng bonus na 6,000.
Tapos pag nag-goal na rin sila to become 682, ito na yun.
Tapos ito, halimbawa, naging 682 na pareho yung nasa baba mo,
You become
automatic 682 wala kang ginawa doon. Sila lang masipag sila, gusto nilang abutin yung dash.
Yes.
So, automatic may 12,000 bonus ka. And then, mayroon kang monthly and quarterly bonuses na. Then, eto na yung exciting part.
Yes. Pag nag-dash to tong dalawa.
Yeah.
Yan, ito yun.
So, pag nag-dash to, yung dalawa mong nirecruit o kahit na ikaw pa yan, kasi ako pareho ako yung dash to ko. So, you promote to 682-3, yan na yung may 5,000 fixed income.
Tawag nila dito legacy account.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kasi you can transfer it to your children.
Yes.
Then, kahit na mayroong last na nag-attend ako dito, namatay yung tatay niya na distributor. Pinamihan na sa kanila yung
Si
account.
Eleanor.
So,
The wife was the one who got the account.
so kahit mamatay na
And,
ako,
yes.
yung mga anak ko, kasi nakapangalan din sa company yung akin eh.
Yes.
So, yung mga anak ko yung makaka-receive ng akin. And next month, magpapupromote na ako dito.
Wow.
So exciting, di
Congrats.
ba?
So, Eden will get $50,000 as a becoming 2-4. So, yung one time yun, and her monthly will increase to $10,000.
US dollar, yeah.
Ganun yan.
So, sino ang hindi, di ba, nung matutunan ko yung business, para kung nasa alapakan mo, parang
madali na. Very
bakit
soon.
hindi ko agad narinig?
Kukunin ko na lang.
Nalaman yung Pinaji. Kasi 51 years old na, di ba? Wala ko nakakaalam sa Pinaji.
And very, like sinabi yan ni Eden, very few people know about this. Isipin mo dapat to, puro na mga tao. Hindi ko alam kung bakit very rin kasi yung Enagic. They don't want for us to brag yung mga checks
At
na.
kung ano nagustuhan ko sa company na to, Enagic is Japanese company.
Yes. Debt free.
At alam natin lahat na made in Japan, lahat, everybody loves made in Japan, diba? And nakapunta na ako sa Japan, nadala ko ng ate ko sa Japan, sobrang, ang ganda nung factory nila, diba? Talagang,
Alam mo ba, nag-meet kami ni Eden sa company pass. Narinig ko nagtatagalog sila. So, kumusta from Philippines din ako, hindi siya maniwala. Narinig lang yung
akala ko kasi
nagtatagalog.
Chinese siya, kasi mukha naman siya Chinese, diba?
So, doon kami nagkakalala. Tapos
So, yeah, we met in Japan. We don't know each other.
Yeah.
Pero, yeah, that's the beauty of this business. We become family.
Tapos nalaman ko pa, magkapareho may birthday, January 2. May connect talaga.
Mayroon pa isa dyan, January 2.
Oo.
Kasama.
Verse.
Wow.
January 2.
Sunod na ako yayaman.
So yan guys, so far meron tayo, ilan ang nasa
Malapit naman.
Hindi kami
Tatlo.
tatlo.
Pinakompleto ko na lang yung requirement.
Hindi pa si Jay.
Malapit
Si
naman.
Romy tsaka si Sita.
Sila ba?
Sila dalawa.
Parang dalawa.
Okay, so wala pa nakaka-reach.
Kasi noong
Pero
dati
dalawa
kasi
yun.
focus kasi nga, di ba may
Wala
dito.
na kasi
So
dahil.
pag focus ka
Pag
talaga,
nag-dash
you can
7 si
do
Dati.
that and
Dash
for
8 siya.
years.
O kasi malaki pa sila.
Mga Filipinos yun. Si Romy Verdera.
All Filipino are the billionaires of this
Top
business.
earners sila.
Top earners, si Cha Brigante, si
Romy
Romy
Vergara,
Vergara, si
and
JB.
Pacific.
Tapos sunod na kami.
Oh.
Diba?
Oo. Okay. So, any questions mo regarding to career path? Mukhang nanulula na sila sa dollars. Yes,
May
tama.
promo this month ang Enagic. Sobrang generous talaga ng Enagic, guys.
Tama.
May promo, so ipupromote ko. Sa kalwanan ko sa inyo yung promo. Okay, magkano ba to?
Magkano?
So ngayong month lang high special. Enagic has a promo which is starter dash to 3A campaign. So usually, kapag, saan ba ikaw to, di ba? So that's you.
Suma ka muna.
Sige, ikaw.
Ako nga ito.
So, ikaw yan, bumili ka ng machine. So, naging business owner ka, okay? Ngayon, nag-recruit ka ng isa. So, 1A leg, diba? So, kumita ka dyan. Or, yung secret ko na lang.
Sige.
Bumili ka ng dalawang machine na lang. No, isang machine at isang ukon, okay? So, bumili ka, ikaw yan, ikaw pa rin. So, you. Okay?
Ito what? Tama. Ito dalawa sa'yo.
Yeah.
Ito machine.
Okay. So yan, you get one slice dito, sa'yo pa rin yan. Pero, then, another 1A leg pa rin. So mag-recruit ka, halimbawa, mag-recruit ka ng isa.
Sapa.
Isang friend mo. So si B. So, yan, 1A leg. So this month, ang offer ng Enagic, sa halip na 2A ka lang, 2 slice, 3A ka agad. So, usually, to become 3A, kailangan mo ng 11 points. 11 points. 10 group sales. Yung pa 3A mo, doon ka pa lang yung pa 11 sales mo, doon ka pa lang mag-3A. Pero this month only, special promo ng Enagic.
Fast track to 3A.
Skip mo yung 2A, 3A agad. So, 3 slice agad ang commission mo. Diba? Kung KA, so, 45,000 agad. Doon agad mag-start ang commission mo. So, halimbawa, yeah, oh, so, ganito na lang. So, hindi na lang ikaw yan. So, nag-recruit ka lang ng isa. Halimbawa, nag-recruit ka ng isa, so hindi ikaw yan. Tapos nag-recruit ka ulit ng isa pa, so dalawa yan. 1A, so 15,000 sa KA. Tapos ikaw, bumili ka. Kasi gusto mo mag-3A for this month. Yung Enagic may promo siya. So, bumili ka ng ukon, ngayon 3A na yan. Okay? So, 3 na yun. Oo. Tapos ngayon, dito mo na ilalagay lahat ng sales mo. Kasi ikaw rin yan eh. So, ikaw yan. So yan, 3 ang rank. Dito, 1A. Mag-start ko ulit ng 1A. Okay? So, you will earn 1 slice of commission here. 3 dito. So, magiging 4 slice agad. So, instead na, magkano na? 45, 60,000 na. So, first sales mo, dito, 60,000 na ang commission mo. 4 slices na. So, depende kung K8 yun, so 60,000, di ba? So, imagine, and you are building 2 accounts at the same time. So, ikaw rin yung apply mo. Ang kagandahan ng may ukol ka, kahit hindi ka pa makabenta ng 3 months, automatic, basta nagbenta tong dalawa na to, 100% yung commission mo. Kasi you have active ukol. So, if you have active ukol, you have SP points. So, kahit na hindi ka makabenta ng 3 months, they make a sales, you get the full commission. Dito sa sales. Yes, kasi it protects the machine, di ba? So now, pag nakabenta ka dito ulit ng isa pa, another 60,000. Another 4 slices. 1 plus 3. Kasi ito 1A, ito 3A, under 3A leg mo itong ukon, so 4 points na. So sunod, halimbawa,
The 5 points.
ano na, October, November ka na nakabenta dito. So hindi na ito magiging 3A kasi 2 points na. Magiging 2A lang to. Kasi ngayon, special lang siya na iskipin mo yung 2A. Pero kung sa November mo ka magka-sale, so 2A siya, so magiging 2 plus 3. 5 slices of commission ang kikitain mo.
Powerful.
Tapos dalawa ang mini-maintain mo na account. Ngayon, kung mag-4A ka, for example, okay, 4A ka na. So, bili ka pa ulit ng isang ukon. Dito naman.
So kung ito nag-4A na,
Ito, nag-4A ka, ito lang. Kahit ito lang, mag-4A ka na. So, under 4A leg, bili ka ulit ng isa pang ukon. Ngayon, 3 na accounts mo. Ganyan ang sekreto ko, paano ko biglang yumaman, ha?
so
So,
ito 4A.
kasi ngayon, 3 na yung ukon. Kasi we are allowed to have 6 accounts in Enagic. Enagic only allowed us to have 6 accounts. So ngayon, kung 4A na yan,
Ako ito 4A.
oo, 4A na yan. So, bili ulit ako ng isang ukon. Ngayon, start ulit ako dito
Pero ito
building.
ika-cancel mo to.
Yes, i-cancel mo na
Pero
yan.
mong machine to.
Yes. Pero, hanggang active pa siya, pag expiration na, saka mo lang. Kapag expire na, ano, basta nag-expire, huwag mo na i-renew. Kasi di ba,
Kasi ano na siya eh, kumbaga
Ano yun?
permanent.
permanent na.
Oo,
Basta
basta
permanent
ito
na.
na yung
ano,
magiging
sana-sana
ano,
yung
natural
accounts na
Yes.
gusto
So,
mo.
it will protect this now.
Bibili ka
So,
ng
then,
upo.
ito na, start ulit
Yun,
building
bibili
Kung
ka
tayo
this.
lang nagkakaintindi.
Marami siyang upo.
This is the fast track to para makuha niyo yung 8 slices. So, mag-sell sa dito ng 1. So, 1 plus 4, 5 slices na sa'yo.
Lalo ng
Diba?
papangsa kaya
1 plus 4, 5 slices na. So, tapos kung nakakuhin ka dyan, 2 plus 4, 6 slices na. So, kung magiging 4A to, 4 plus 4, 8 slices na. So, sa'yo na lahat yung 8 slices. Wala nang makukuha yung upline mo. Sa'yo na lahat. Magkano ang 8 slices ng K8?
120,000.
120,000 na. Every time you're gonna make a sales, sa K8 machine, you will get 120,000. Isang sales lang yun, ha? And imagine yung mga tao below you, they bring sales, you're gonna get, kasi you will get 1 slice, so 7 slice lang sa'yo. But still, diba? Kaya kahit natutulog ka, tapos yung tao mo nagtatrabaho, you will get unlimited income, passive income. So itong mga inaiwan dito, they will build this account. So ito magiging 6A, ito magiging 6A, automatic yung main account mo, 6A2. May 6,000 bonus ka, magkano sa Pilipinas ang 6,000 bonus? 270,000 ang main account mo. Tapos may monthly and quarterly bonuses ka na.
You're building.
So every month,
You're building two accounts.
passive income na.
Pag
So, di ba?
4A ka na,
Actually, dito pala
pwede
nagpapasok
ka
ka na.
mag-insurance.
Once there, even if you're just
Yeah, so if you're 6A, you get educational bonus. Kung maka-cut off ka nila, you get educational bonus. Tapos, walang deadline, walang sales quota, walang membership. It's a lifetime business. Kung tumigil ka, okay, wala kang kita. Kung hindi ka pa nagkaka-bonus. Pero basta you can come back anytime, di ba?
pwede ka magpahinga.
Pwede ka magpahinga kasi it's a lifetime business.
Magpakasig ka muna.
Ang kagandahan dito, why I decide to do the business, yung investment mo, gagamitin mo, di ba? It's for your health. Walang mawawala sa'yo. Kasi maraming bumibili ng product just to use. They don't do the business. But you start the business and you use the product which is good for your health. At lifetime mo pa siyang gagamitin. At sino hindi umiinom ng tubig dito? Pero ba dito hindi umiinom ng tubig? Kaya lahat customer natin. Lahat umiinom
Saka
ng tubig.
ginagamit mo na yung machine, di ba? Tama.
Yes. Bumibili ka ng bottled water, magkano yun? Ang mahal, di ba? Ipunin mo yan everyday.
Wala pang health
Tapos
benefit.
ang maganda dito, they provide 2 years payment. Pag may
Yes.
credit card,
Oh, 2 years.
Installment.
Zero interest.
0 interest, hindi mo kailangan i-cash. Yes. So that is how amazing this business, guys.
0%.
Sobrang ganda-ganda. I started this 6 years ago. 2000 ako, iba't ibang bansa, sponsored by Enagic. Nadala ko na yung ate ko, yung isa ko pang kapatid, yung pamangkin ko sa Japan. At next month, punta ako ng Hong Kong, kasama ko yung isang kapatid. Sponsor ko sila, kakagabay ng aeroplano, ng hotel. Yung asawa ko at mga anak ko, ilang cruise ship na. Nakailang cruise na kami, papunta sa Dominican Republic, sa Bermuda, sa Puerto Plata, sa San Juan, sobrang sa Florida. Ang dami namin nang na-travel dahil dito sa business. And mind you, caregiver po ako. Caregiver ako from Taiwan, from Canada. Sobrang hirap ng buhay. Sobrang talagang hindi ako special ha. Hindi ako matalino, never ako nagka-honor student, never ako nagka-medalya nung pumapasok ako. Nakita ko lang talaga ang energy. Nakita ko ang ganda ng compensation plan nila. Nakita ko ang benefit ng product nila. So, grab ko yung opportunity. Wala akong pera noon. Noong nag-start ako ng business, kalilipat namin sa USA, nag-quit ako ng work ko sa Canada. Kasi yung husband ko, IT siya. So, nilipat kami sa US. Nilipat siya sa US. Kasi kung hindi, tatanggalin ka siya sa work. Kasi hindi sila kailangan sa Canada. So, kailangan namin mag-move sa US. So, no choice. So, pumayag kami. Nagpunta kami ng US. Naging stay-at-home mom ako doon. At doon ko nakita yung energy. Noong una, ayaw ko kasi sabi ko, wisdom yan. Ano yan, networking yan, ayaw ko yan. Pero sabi ko, sa bahay lang ako, walang ginagawa, wala akong kita. Paano ko tutulungan yung family ko back home? Paano? Hindi ako pwede magtrabaho kasi yung mga anak ko sobrang maliit pa. Hindi namin afford ang daycare. So sabi ko, sige na, ano ba yung online business na yan? Tapos inaral ko yung company, inaral ko yung compensation plan. Nag-start ako, utang. Kahit 5, wala akong savings noon. Dahil kalilipan niya namin sa US. Sa Canada po, may bahay kami, so hindi kami nagre-rent. Sa US, an additional 3,000 monthly yung rental sa bahay namin. So imagine, yung paycheck to paycheck kami, wala kami pera. Kaya desperate talaga ako nung na yung may pagkakakitaan. So yun, using my credit card, hindi ko pa sinabi sa asawa ko. Kasi magagalit siya sa akin. $10,000 US. $10,000 US, that is my investment to start a business.
Ukot, Anespa.
Anespa, KH, Ukot. So, tatlong product yung pinili ko. Pikit mata! Sabi ko, God, kayo po ang bahala. Basta, gusto ko pong mag-milyonaryo. Kasi nakikita ko, ang dami milyonaryo sa position. Sabi ko, grabe. So, yun, nakita ko. So, wala akong experience, pero, inaral ko lang yung business, shinare ko lang yung online. So, hindi ko sinishare yung product. So, we just share how you can start an online business. And then, doon ako, unti-unti, wala ako kahit isang mga kaibigan or nakakilala na naging business owner. Kaya sasabihin nyo, wala akong kakilala, wala akong connection, wala akong contact. It's not an hindrance. It's not an excuse for you not to start. Kasi wala talaga. This is Mercy, naging business partner ko. She's from Oregon. Hindi ko siya kilala. Hindi niya rin ako kilala. So nakita niyo lang yung post ko sa Facebook. Nag-reach out siya sa akin. Tapos, explain ko sa kanya. Yeah. So, naging business partner kami. Pero in just over a year sa business, nakabili na ako agad ng bahay sa Amerika. Imagine, diba? Sobrang ganda talaga. And then after that, syempre, ang daming benefits. Nakabili rin ako ng bahay at lupa dito sa Pilipinas. Oo, dito sa
Taga Batangas.
Yes, taga Lipa, Batangas po ako. So nakabili ako ng bahay at lupa worth 5 million. And then bago pa lang ako nag-umpisa. So then, of course, bumili ako ng Tacoma truck na bago. Ganda-ganda ako doon. Red. So, pero kailangan ko siya ibenta kasi hindi ko siya matadala dito. Pero, and then, just 2 years ago or last year lang, I bought another house sa Canada, diba sis? Yeah, so I bought another house sa Canada. So, dalawa na yung bahay namin sa Canada na nire-rent ko ngayon. So, another income stream, yes, sa Montreal. So, we have 2 houses in Montreal just because of this business. At ngayon, I'm building a big house here in the Philippines, my swimming pool, my tawag doon? May fish pan. Kasi ang plano ko, doon ko introduce yung Enagic. Doon ako mag-invite ng people to talk about this opportunity na nagbago ng buhay ko. Kasi sa totoo lang, noong high school lang ako, nung college, hindi ako mapag-aral ng aking mga magulang. Kasi they cannot afford me and my sister. Kasi 1 year lang ang gap namin sa school. Hindi nila afford na pag-aralin kami sa bahay. Kasi wala silang permanent job. Wala silang mataas na pinag-aralan, so magsasaka lang. So sabi ng tatay ko, kailangan mong tumigil. Hindi, ang ate mo muna, papasukin mo muna ang ate mo sa kakapasok. Sabi ko, ayoko, kasi kung titigil ako, pag nagtrabaho ako, baka hindi na ako makapasok. Baka mag-asawa na ako, baka yung mas ulit na naman ang cycle na isang kahal, isang tuba. So nagtrabaho ako sa public school. At kaya ako na, nung pagkatapos ng college, working student ako, nag-work ako as a caddy sa Mount Malarayan Golf and Country Club. So, 16 years old. Grabe talaga na. Kasi ayoko ko talaga na masettle sa mahirap. Yung pamilya ko, yung mga anak ko. I want to break the cycle. So, nung nakagraduate ako, mahirap naman magamit ng trabaho sa Pilipinas. They want people who have experience, they want people who come from prestigious college, public school lang yung pinasok ko. So doon ako nag-Taiwan, pay now, apply now, pay later. 2 years ako sa Taiwan, walang sweldo. Binabayaran ko yung agency, kasi apply now, pay later. Sobrang sakripisyo, pero hindi po dahil mahirap ka, ay tatanggapin mo na lang na mahirap ka. Sabi nga nila, kung pinanganak ka na mahirap, hindi mo kasalanan yun. Pero kung mamatay kang mahirap, kasalanan mo. Kaya, andito yung opportunity na nagbago ng buhay ko, and kaya nyo rin yun. Kung kinaya ko, kaya nyo rin yun. At andito ako para suportahan kayo. Salamat po.
Wow, thank you, Eden. Grabe, very inspired ka. Sabi ko, I like to collab.
Kung kayong imagine, 5,000 monthly bonus, magkano sa Philippine peso? 250,000? Diba? Imagine, sapat na ako doon. Eh ngayon, dalawa na ako. So, 500,000 na. I never went down. I'm always more than 7,000 sa bonus. Last month nga, 10,000. Sa isang account pa lang yan, ha? Pero ngayon, dalawang account na yung gastri ko. Bonus pa lang yun. Hindi pa kasama yung commission. Oh my gosh. Everyday mga check eh. Hindi pa kasama yung commission. Kaya, at dito magsipag ka lang, mas malaki pa yung commission kaysa bonus. Imagine, makasales ka ng isang K8, 15,000. Imagine kung 10 yung mayroon kang dalawang downline or kahit 5 lang na downline at makabenta ng isa yun. May